How's everybody doing? Have you seen this picture before? I saw this today. Here's the date. Of course, we're live tomorrow, which it's 12 midnight almost, so roughly 24 hours, less than 24 hours. Be live tomorrow unless something happens. I'll be live earlier, live stream tomorrow at 9 p.m. as always. Thought this was very interesting. This just came out 18 hours ago. You have Trump in hot water here. You have the life preserver right here. I showed this before. This is all planned. As you can see, he's blue. Hot water. He's in water. All planned. The sequel would be after he was done being elected. It would be the second time, which would be after his first term. Sequel after his first term. The snake, the lightning coming down right here. I will get back to this in a minute. So you have right here, you have the light preserver. He's in hot water. He's blue because he's in water, because he's up to his head in water. Just like I showed you. Life preserver, all planned right here. Also, this is what Micron president, right here, Macron, whatever. He's ready to form a new government. Very interesting. It's the same thing happened with Japan, as we were talking about. Also, too, right here, he says right here about Macron, head of the Navy, said they could win against Beijing. So exactly what they're showing in this picture right here, Micron's talking big about they could win a war with Taiwan and China right here. Just as I showed here. Ready for a government reform. Now I'm going to talk about this because, well, let's talk about this first. Report says right here, which, whatever, there's both sides, but he's still in hot water. Says CIA suggests Trump could be executed for having nuclear documents. There's things that says he's going to die. They're presuming that, whatever. But all I'm saying is that this is where we're at right now, watching every day, but this is what's going on. Exactly what they're showing in this image right here. Now let's get to the ray, which this could be like the knowing. This could be a nuclear blast. But this is exactly my dream, my vision I had, and most people know what I'm talking about. This came out, and other people have reported on this too.
Straight out of the sky. And scientists literally not telling us what's going on. Guess what they done said it was? So scientists out here saying it's a corpuscular ray. What? Well, when you look at corpuscular waves, they have literal small rays, and they don't sit in place like this beam. And reportedly, this beam in Turkey sat in place for hours.
So, also looks like a planet right there, or something right there, and one right there. As people know, my vision I had, I've had it on my channel quite a few times. When this happened, I left. There was a ray like this, there was an explosion, a flash of light, and I was irradiated, and I was leaving. I made video about this in 2017. Most people know that.
Now, you also notice that when
it was just like this. Plasma coming down. I said it could have been lightning. It was big like that. It was just like that.
It was beaming up. The sky was starting to make different changes and looks. And then another thing that you notice, you start to see this beam that's red and it's creating this glow, and then it starts to glare really, really bright, like it's like projecting more energy or something else is beaming. And look at how the color of the sky changes.
It's just like my vision I had. So that's coming now. Here's the video. If you want to watch it, you can watch the whole length video right here. Right here it is. You can YouTube it for yourself. There's other people that reported about this also. So Trump, the beam, very interesting. This right here, Putin, Macron, the Navy will win against Beijing. So he's saying right here, as I show with Singapore, there's an island out here, there's a canal. This isn't a very good picture. There was more of this picture. This is the Economist magazine in 2017. There was like another island over here or something similar. The beam in Trump. So all this stuff's going on right now, as it shows here with the beam. We'll see what happens. This is an update video of Trump. I thought this was very interesting also. We will see what happens.